बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान निहायत रहम वाला है। Learning Unit 2. Configure peripheral devices. Input devices. Output devices. Storage devices. Peripheral. An external device that provides input to the computer or receives output from the computer is called a peripheral. Common input devices include keyboard, mouse scanner, microphone, joystick. Common output devices, monitor, projector, printer, speakers. There are some devices that functions both as input and output devices: hard drive, CD/DVD-ROM drive, modems, webcam. Different types of communication: ports, serial ports, DB9 socket, USB ports, USB 2.0 or 3.0 socket/connector, parallel ports, DB25 socket/connector, Ethernet/Internet ports, RJ45 socket/connector, VGA port, display port, Firewire, IEEE 1394 interface, E-SATA port, PS/2 port. Installed printer. After the printer is installed, Windows is used to print a self-test page to verify the printer is working. Click Start Settings and open Control Panel. Double-click the printers or printers and fax icon. Right-click on the printer wanted to test and click Properties. In the Printer's Properties window, click the Print Test Page button. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Stay connected with Technology Meets Goals for more helpful tech tutorials.